All right, so here's a program that I use to actually make the 3D models. Okay, it's a software called Tinkercad. You see it right there in the address bar, and this right here actually allows you to change or build your design into a 3D model where your slicer can read it and build your 3D model. A slicer is on a program where it actually, it's like embroidery files. It actually makes each layer a printable 3D file so that the filament can follow the lines and build your 3D project. So what it's doing right now is it's leveling the bed plate. Okay, this right here is a bed plate, and before you do any 3D printing, has to make sure that the bed is level. Okay, otherwise your 3D prints are gonna print unevenly, and they might not even stick. They might even move out of place when you're printing them. So right now it's doing an automatic bed leveling function, and is preparing to print the project that I'm going to show you guys and go through on how I made it and everything, what program I used to make these keychains, and everything that I can disclose in my videos. Okay, so it's printing, and these are my keychains right here for a company that decided that this may be a good idea for them to actually get a NFC keychain to where they can advertise. It's like a business card, you know. A little fast tutorial how I start my 3D prints. So I bring in an Illustrator, okay, and I of course it's got to be vectored, okay. So your image, whatever it is, has to be vectored. You can create a keychain out of your tools over here, okay. So those are your tools. So you simply create your keychain. Then what you want to do is you want to save your so this right here is going to go actually on top of the keychain, okay, and it's going to be a color, okay, and this is going to be a color. So what you want to do is you want to take this off, and you want to just save your one part of your keychain. So what you want to do is you want to save this as a SVG, okay. Then what you want to do is you want to take this one out of here, save this one as a SVG, okay. Then what you want to do is you want to bring them into Tinkercad, okay, and then from here you can import both of them. You can stack them on top of each other, and you can actually raise the height. See, I'm separating it away. You can raise the height on the 3D logo, how far you want it to go up, okay. Once you get your model and everything from here, okay, you want to put it into your slicer. I use bamboo slicer, and that's how we do it right there. So I'm coming up on the 3D print. It's paused. It's giving me time. It's allowing me to put my NFC tags in these little circles right here. Last one. This is nice and flat. And come down here, I'm going to simply hit start and resume. It will proceed to print over it. I'll come back in a little while and show you how it looks. All right, so now as you can see, it's actually covered up in there. All right, so I got into 3D printing because I just simply like the fact that you can create your own products, okay? My father was an inventor, and he created his own products. When we couldn't go get something done from a company that would actually precision a part for us, maybe run a tool or die sample so that we can use that die to create parts. Companies never really wanted to do it for us. So my father always built the thing himself, and that always impressed me. So I grew up with a father that made the parts himself instead of depending on any company. Okay, so he was a machinist, and he knows how to use all those machines when he was working as a machinist, and he took those skills and simply did it in his own garage. So he had machines in his garage. He had his mind skill. He had his way of doing his parts, machining and manufacturing parts. So I watched him and was always just amazed at how he did it. So now that I have a chance to get something like this, like a 3D printer, it allows me to actually create something just like he did. So I have within me the same mindset of being able to make your own products, and that just fascinates me from here to there, however far that is. I just love it. So this is why I bought a 3D printer, so I can make parts, so I can get something maybe patented, something that's useful, something I could probably sell, make a lot of money off of. Well, it's not just about the money, it's about the creativeness. I ain't worried about the money. Create it, you make it, you do your best, people will buy it, okay? That's the order that goes in, okay? You make it, people will buy it. People are buying anything that's a product these days. All you have to do is just make it something that people need, sort of, in a sense. That's all you need. So this is why I got in 3D printing. I love it. I really haven't had time to do a lot of it, because I've been busy with the printing business, of course. I'm also doing laser engraving. I want to do a video about laser engraving, and that's a whole nother topic of creating with materials. You can create things with the laser engraver, a laser cutter. So that's a whole nother story. Okay, but anyway, just wanted to give you a brief detail visual of why I like 3D printing and why I did it. For myself and for the business, and that's it. All right, back to the video. So the printing continues, and we're actually really covering it up now. Okay, it still continues. We did 6 of them, and what we have left is 46 minutes. Actually, it's 28 minutes. 28 minutes left. It took 46 minutes to do the whole thing. 28 minutes left.
Okay, now we're going to put the second color on there for the graphics. So they're done. Right here on the build plate. Still ain't off there. Almost looks like a poker chip. Awesome. Now all we got to do is program them to the company's website, and that's it. Hey, I appreciate you guys checking out my video, taking the time to watch it. Hopefully it was entertaining. I am very humbled to even be able to make a video and show you guys. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. I need 1,000 likes. I want to go live on YouTube. I have like about maybe like 800. So if you could share the video, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna do a video on laser engraving, some plaques I'm gonna do for some baseball teams, and that's about it. Thank you.